I'm in Tesha. It's lift suet sun. I'm going to walk in the main popular shopping centre and to find some lifts to film. A walk along, a walk and out. So any to find lifts to film. A fucking so many. This lifts is so amazing to film. And you are along to the first lifts. The first lifts is the glass main lifts is a third generation eco discs. And now I'm at the parking level 2, and there's so many fine lifts to film. There's so many. This parking is so quality. Just look and find the lifts to film. The 70s and out. Some over 4 complete car park. This to find the lifts to film. And no, these car parks is just the last to say. Full properly car park. And now, empty out. Some will go into the next. And this is not this. And if it's this quality lives to film, it's the 70s is out. This very busy. So now busy. And look at quality in this door. Also moving it. Find the lifts, the next lift. Here we are, the service lift. Now, in car park 3 to 70 out, and there's a fine list to film. Some Emily Apple pool and completed parking. And now, moving on to this parking is so annoying. Bill Silver look at me over by this. And now, let's walking around car park 3. Walking on, and now into this area to find 60 bar lifts to film. Here we are, lifts at the tower. And now, let's walking around car park 2. This is a full properly car park. It's different than the car park 3. This car park is a labyrinth. This car park is so annoying. I so won't walk around this car park. And now here we are, the main part for shopping centre in car park 2. And now to the next lift. There's also Isabel lives a sense of 3 lifts.
Shopping level. Parking lot.
And now, walking around car park 1 to find this area. And now, let's move it on this car park. And now, let's walking around car park 1. And now to the next lift. And now here we are, the first floor. Now to the only one lift. And now let's walk around second floor.